I was running on empty, soul full of dust, chasing the wind, forgetting to trust. Had a Bible on the dashboard, but I never read a line. Thought I had time, thought I'd be fine. But broken roads led me down to my knees, where the silence got loud and brought me peace. I felt a warmth in the cold, a feeling unknown,